to design the circuit diagram. Here I am using the Fritzing software so that you can easily understand where and how I am connecting. To show you the basic application of a liquid crystal display screen, we have to need four components. One of them is breadboard, which is already here, and three of them are Arduino, a potentiometer, and a liquid crystal screen. So one by one, I am including them from the component manager. So this is Arduino Uno. Now search for liquid crystal. No, it's not. Okay, and last of all, potentiometer. Potentiometer. Okay, maybe this one. Okay, fine. Okay, we included all of them. Now let's start connection. First of all, I place the LCD screen on the breadboard. You can connect anywhere you want. Okay, then I place a potentiometer. Here I connect the potentiometer. Okay, then to extend the power supply of 5 volt, I connect the positive rail of the breadboard to the positive pin or 5 volt pin of Arduino, and ground pin goes to the ground rail of the breadboard. Okay, then let's jump into the connection of LCD screen and Arduino. The first pin of LCD screen goes to the uh, ground pin or ground rail of the breadboard. Second pin goes to the positive rail of the breadboard. Next pin goes to the middle pin of the potentiometer. Let me change the color. Okay, then fourth pin goes to the uh, number 10 pin number 10 of the Arduino. Okay, let me rearrange the wire. Okay, number 10. Next pin of LCD screen goes to the ground rail of the breadboard, and then next pin of the LCD screen goes to the pin number 9. Actually, you can use any pin, but according to the connection, I will assemble my code. So that keep in mind where I am connecting. Okay, so uh, it's like green. Okay, fine. Then let's jump into the last pin of the LCD screen. This is if you over your mouse screen, you can show this is the ground pin of the LCD screen. That's why I am connecting it to the ground rail of the breadboard, and this pin goes to the positive rail of the breadboard. Okay, this is anode or positive power supply. Okay, fine. Then next pin goes to the pin number 3, pin number 3, then pin number 4, and pin number 5, and pin number 6. That's it. This is the full connection with the LCD screen and our Arduino. Okay, that's all for the connection. It is a little bit complex, but if you just follow my instruction step by step, it seems like it's very easy to connect. Okay, just first pin goes to the ground pin and second pin goes to the positive pin. Next pin goes to directly on the a potentiometer. Oh, on connection missing, just other two leg of potentiometer, just connect uh, ground rail and positive rail. Okay, okay, that's good. So okay, then next pin goes to the Arduino pin number 10, and next pin goes to the, this is mainly read write pin, this goes to the ground pin, and next pin number 9. So just leave the four pin over here, and just connect as like as I am doing done here. So that's all the connection. Let's see the actual breadboard that I am assembled to you guys. Okay, this is the physical circuit connection of the diagram that we have designed a little while ago. I have already connect my Arduino to my laptop. If you notice the display, you can see there are some blocks in the display. Basically, you can print only one character in each block. Okay, so if you now count the block, you can see there are two rows and each row has 16 blocks, and that's why this display is called 16 by 2 LCD screen. Okay, now if you print anything in your display, first you need to mention the position where your given text will be printed. Okay, this is called cursor. For example, if you print from the top left corner, what will be the cursor position? Look, this is the row index 0 and it is row index 1. The same way, this is column 0, column 1, column 2, column 3, and so on. And if you just mention the column first, then the top left corner cursor will be uh, 0, 0. That means 0 column and 0 row. Okay. And if you just identify the position of this cursor at the down right cursor or down right box or block, then it will be 15 comma 1. Why? Because it is in 15th number column and 1 number row. Okay, so it is the overall positioning system of this display. Now we will do some code and try to learn how to use this display smoothly. Okay. Okay, let's start coding. Before that, I would like to say there is a library called Liquid Crystal that can run our display smoothly. You don't need to install the library because it is already pre-installed with our Arduino IDE. Just you need to include the library first. So I write include liquid crystal.ace. Okay, then object creation. Then we need to create an object for this display under this liquid crystal library. That's why I write liquid crystal. Then I need to named our object, display object. I named this display with LCD. Then we need to pass the pin numbers. Okay, don't forget those pin numbers, otherwise your display won't run. Okay, so 10, 9, 6 5 4 3. Okay, then in setup section, first of all, we need to mention the display size, and for that we have a function called begin, lcd.begin 16 comma 0. It means our display has 16 columns and 2 rows. Okay, for clearing the display we have a function also. It is called clear. It's just total clear your whole screen, whole lcd screen. And then for positioning, I have already said that if you print something in your LCD screen, first you need to mention the cursor position, and for mentioning that we have we have a function which is set cursor. Set cursor, and here you should pass the uh, column number first, then the row number. So if I write 0 0, that means it the next line will start from 0 number column and 0 number rows. Okay, now if I print the lcd dot print hello world and hit enter, you can see. Okay, sorry, I don't write the loop function, that's why it throw me an error. Okay, then I hit enter. After that the code successfully uploaded, and you can see our hello world successfully print in your screen of LCD. Okay, and if you don't mention the line, then by default our screen seems that this line start from 0 and 0. Okay, no problem. So when you just print your text from the left top corner, then you don't need to mention the cursor, because by default it is already 0 and 0. Okay, now if you shift the line to one step right, then you can just uncomment the line, and here if I write 1 comma 0, then you can see our line or hello world text is shift on step right. Okay, uh, this is a very fascinating display for you guys. And okay, then if you print the line from the uh, next row, that means row number on, I just write on here. This line tells the our screen that okay, so hello world print from column number on and row number 1. By following this way you can print anything in your screen anywhere you can you want, no problem. Just remember the two function. First function set cursor, which is used for set the position, and print for printing some text in the display. And if you want to clear the entire screen, then you need to write a clear function. Okay, and if you print I am now telling a just cons, a slight cons of this display. Suppose you print LCD cursor on comma on hello world. Okay, no problem. But if you print then LCD cursor on 0 0, and if you print the uh, same in the same position, and now if you want to print LCD dot print Arduino, then then see what the display will print. You can see our previous line never be deleted until you use the clear function. Okay, so it may be a slight disadvantage for this display. So if you print the hello world and after you want to print Arduino, first I want to take some delay and then I print LCD is clear, then uh, we get the perfect result. Okay, hello world, and after that we got print. So basically three function are plays a crucial role in our display. First of all, a clear function, then set cursor function, and last of print function. By using those three functions, you can print anywhere any text in your screen. Okay, so it was the basic and fundamental class for your Arduino and LCD screen, guys. You can use this display any project where you need to write something on your screen. You don't use the serial monitor of our Arduino IDE. Then you can easily use this LCD screen perfectly. Okay, since there are many pins we needed to run this display, no problem, guys. Next we learn how to manage those large amount of pins, and only 4 pins we can control the whole display. Okay, so stay tuned and following my steps and have a fun.